What up, dude? Today is Saturday, June 16th. Ready to get on the grind right here, guys. Headed to the shop. It's gonna be a busy day. Day before Father's Day. You know what that means. So, guys, I kind of want to reflect on today on, you know, I'm gonna bust out my, you know, I'm talking about the Wahl 5-star. The new machine that just busted out. After 2 days of using it, yesterday was a busy day. I have to say it's working really, really good. I really love that machine. I mean, it feels true to the form of a regular 5-star. One thing I do like about it, I noticed yesterday I really put it to the job. It was a little bit busier than normal. So at one point I felt like it was running out of power. So I plugged it back in because I'm only using one. I bought two, but I'm only using one. So I plugged it back in, and remarkably, it charged up pretty fast. I mean, I want to say that it charged up like in 20 minutes. So, man, if you get a full charge again with 20 minutes, and after that, I didn't charge it up no more. So as far as the charging goes, you know, it seems to work pretty good. The only thing I don't like about it right now, I could say, and I don't know if it's just that machine that I have, or maybe it's all the 5-stars, but they're a little louder. They're a little louder than the other machines. They buzz a little louder than the normal 5-star. So, but other than that, I mean, the cut's like butter. Even the top, like, that's one thing I noticed about, like, say when I was using the Magic and it was a Cordless Magic, when you hit the top where the hair's real thick and you're mowing the hair down, you know, the machine struggles. You can hear the motor struggling because it's a cordless machine, you know. But even on the top, it seems pretty strong when it's fully charged. Of course, when the machine started dying, I could hear the motor like whining a little bit, so I knew that it needed more battery, more juice. So I plugged it in and it charged up right away. So I just wanted to bring that up to you guys. I don't know if it's just me or if anybody else out there. Leave me a comment below, guys. What do you guys think? Do you guys think this machine is loud, or am I tripping? Well, today I'm gonna bust out my second one, so I'm gonna be using two. So I want to see if it's just maybe that one, maybe the blade. Because sometimes, you know, on regular 5-star, if the blade is not aligned properly, it'll make like a buzzing sound. So I don't know if that's what it is. I might take off the blade today and try to readjust it. But I'm almost here at the shop, 7:30 right now. I'm sure the guys are already there, so we're gonna get started on this day, and you guys have a good day. Grind on, guys. Remember, guys, if you guys ain't up right now, you ain't making no money. See how busy it is in here, guys. What's up, gentlemen? Morning, guys. Morning.
Then I fade just like fire. Then I fade just like fire. A monster in me. Then I fade just like fire. Then I say just like fire. A monster in me. Maybe we're water and this is also, though it never happened.
Good start to this morning, guys. Got here super busy already. Right now it's probably about 11 a.m. Had a little break right now, so I'm gonna go to the bank, get some change. Start off this morning, finish this morning off the right way.